Welcome to Healy Unboxing with Chad. We're going to talk about how to work with Healy, how to unbox everything you see here. These are all the Healy tools that are in the arsenal. There's my Buddha. All right, first, let's get into it. Let's unbox this. Frequencies for your life. When you download the apps, which we'll talk about in a second, you need to have an iOS 9 or higher, or an Android, if you're using an Android phone, 4 or higher. Let's take this off. There we go. Pop the top off here. Give me some time. There we go. It's going to come with a quick start. Page through this really quick if you want to. Take your time. When you open this up, this is going to go over all the information about what the Healy does, what all the buttons are for, where the cords go. I'm just going to quickly go through this a little bit page by page. Those are the apps you want to download. You want to download 2 apps. They're typically called the pink app and the blue app. The pink app is where you run all your programs from, which you see right here. The blue app is where you run the module that's a Healy Analyze app, where you can run scans and things in your field and do long distance work. This is the other information packet that comes with your Healy. Goes over some of the legal information, all that good stuff, which has to be in there. Let me pull out this Healy now. Look at that beautiful thing. Pull that out. I'm going to show you in a second here how to hook up the attachment and what comes in the box. You will see when I flip that over, you have a power cord as well. These are the electrodes here. Those come with, you get 4 of them. This is the USB power supply. I'm going to take this little thing off here so I can show you exactly what that looks like. Voila, there it is. And that connects to the bottom of your Healy. Okay, there you go. Now this Healy is not charged. It's highly recommended that you charge the Healy for at least 3 hours until the green light stops flashing. So I did not charge this Healy. That's the first thing you want to do when you unbox your Healy. You want to charge it. These are the straps that come with to run the frequency specific microcurrent, or FSM for short. That's a coined phrase by Carolyn McGacken. And that these are the straps that go around your wrist to administer the frequencies on the pink app programs, which we'll talk about here in a second. Alrighty, and I'm just going to take out the electrodes here so you can see them. You get 4 of them in there. Perfect, we'll put those back. There we go. Put them back in the box. That's what the Healy looks like, brand new out of the box. And then I'm going to switch the Healy really quick. I'm going to turn the Healy on. This is a different Healy, and I'm going to turn it on. When you turn on the Healy, you should see a flash, a green flash blinking. That means that your Healy is on there. You can maybe see it a little bit better. There we go. This Healy is on. So the magic of power here, I kind of switched it out. I would highly recommend getting a Healy case. I think it's like 20 bucks or something, nothing too crazy. Put your Healy in there. There you go. Put your electrodes in there. Look how great that is. Put all the cords, all the attachments can go right in there. This case has been really great for me. If you have a Healy coil, which I highly recommend getting, you can easily store the coil right in there too. That's a separate attachment as well. And then you can put all the cords, all the gadgets in here. You can organize it the way you like. This is just how I do it, so it really doesn't matter. And then you can close this bad boy up and you can be on your way and on the go. Okay, this is me with my Healy that's already charged. You see the light blinking green there. That means it's working. These are the apps you need. So you're going to go under the App Store. Okay, you're going to type in Healy. Healy app might pop up. There's going to be 2 apps you want to download. You want to download the Healy Pink app, which is right there. And then you'll see the Healy Analyze app, which is below that. That's the blue app. You want to download those 2 apps. Okay, let's go into the Pink app first. This is the last program I ran. That's usually what pops up when you open it up. These are all of the programs on your Healy. Depends on what model you got. Just going to scroll through here really quick so you can kind of see. You can't see everything right now. I'm going through here pretty quick. But you can see some of the programs just in a nutshell. I also want to talk about where the settings are. You can turn on sound, you can turn off sound, you can enable notification, deactivate. I highly recommend turning them off and deactivating. I just searched for new updates under settings, and that should populate all the programs you got based on the Healy model you have. So there you have it. Happy playing with your Healy.